Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Just wanted to share this beautiful Christmas in July tea station with you. Please, if you enjoy the video, please click the like button. And if you're not already following, please consider thinking about it. I just wanted to share what I put together today. Are not my baby fairies the cutest thing you've ever seen? I just love them so. Don't forget, if you enjoy what you see, please give me a like and think about joining our family. Christmas in July. This is a tea station all set up for Christmas in July. Hope you enjoyed what I put together. These are my Christmas cups. Are they not beautiful? My dear friend gave them to me as a gift. Love them so. The cups and saucers, I don't have a set of dishes to go with them, but I know it's an open stock item that I can purchase. They're a little on the pricey side, so I'll see if I can afford them this year. If not, I'll try next year if they still have them. I've had them for a while, so nothing on this post is new. This is a free post, because you know how much Grandma loves to do free post. The little tray I got from Dollar Tree for $1. The doily is from an estate sale that I bought a year or so, and the fairies I've had maybe 4 or 5, maybe even 6 years. I can't remember when I got them. I'm thinking they were probably from Joann's, but I could be wrong. It's been so long ago I got them. And of course, the butterflies, there's 2 of them, one here and one here. They're both from Dollar Tree also. This beautiful butterfly, of course, is from Mackenzie Childs. And it's not that old, but I did buy it this year. But it's been unused in other prior posts. And it's a beautiful piece, is it not? Let's move this little fairy if you can see how beautiful Mackenzie Child piece is. This is one of my favorites that I bought this year. Like I said, I'm trying to build up a collection of Mackenzie Childs. And the beautiful dish that it's setting on is also Mackenzie Child's piece that we bought. Is it not beautiful? I just love it. I only, believe it or not, have the one little plate, and I would like to try to find one more. We bought this off a private party, the plate itself, and we got a good price on it, but she only had one, and that's probably how we got a good price. So we're still looking for a second one. I don't know if Mackenzie Child is still making them or not, but if we happen to find one in a sale of Mackenzie Child's, we'll buy it. If not, we will just have to be happy with the one we got. And oh, I love it, and I've used it quite a few times. And these baby Christmas fairies I love too. They are really, really cute. And as you can see, they have such cute little faces. The reason they look so brand new is that they've always been kept in a box. They've never stayed outside except for their photo ops, because these are some of my favorites, and I'd be afraid they'd get ruined if they were outside very long. So there's the other one. Don't they look cute? They were my very, very favorite Christmas fairies. So you'll be seeing them again at Christmas time. They'll be in a different display, but they'll always be in my Christmas displays because I love them. They're so cute, and so precious. Don't remember if I mentioned this box is from Dollar Tree also, and I got that, I don't know, 2-3 years ago also, I think. This here, I think I bought it at Home Goods, and I think it's about a 4 or 5-year-old piece. Believe it or not, I did get the candle and the candle holder at the same time. These beautiful Christmas trees are probably about 4 years old, and they're from Joann's, and they do light up. And maybe when I share them again at Christmas time, I will light them up in a night scene. But I want you to have something to look forward to when it's Christmas time.